Welcome, my dear friends. This is your Raja Chidambaram. Today, last week we saw that one, last video, that is what is a fixed bearing? Fixed bearing. Okay. Today we go to see that one, learn to that one. What is a floating bearing? The bearing fixed with allowable clearance permit thermal expansion. Floating bearing. The bearing fixed with clearance to permit thermal expansion and takes radial load normally. This question, what is a floating bearing? The bearing fixed with allowable clearance permit to thermal expansion and takes load radial load normally. Okay, this question answer number 11. Again we go to number 12. This is three answer we have. Where is the floating bearing located? This question, where is the floating bearing located? In back pull out pump and fans outboard. Floating bearing in back pull out pump and fans outboard. Double section single discharge pump inboard. And the third answer is mixer or agitator, anyone to tell you like that. Bottom bearing. Where is the floating bearing located? In back pull out pump fans outboard. Second answer is double section single discharge pump inboard. And mixer or agitator bottom bearing. This is the bearing floating bearing located. Okay. This is number 12 question. Again we go to number 13. Okay. What is the necessity of floating bearing? Necessity of floating bearing. This is question number 13. Elongation due to thermal expansion of the shaft. Elongation due to thermal expansion of the shaft. That located, we go to that type of the pumps or anyone, we go to floating bearing. Elongation due to thermal expansion of shaft. Thermal expansion that time, which one coming, that side the floating bearing we are using. Axial fluctuation of the fluctuation effect by load. This effect by the load. Fluctuation effect load, na? That is for taking the floating bearing. That's why we are using. What is the necessity of floating bearing? Necessity. Elongation due to thermal expansion of the shaft. Okay, you understand all of that. And axial fluctuation effect by load. This is for the floating bearing we are using. Okay. And 14 question was the back to back bearing. How can we use those? Same bearing, ball bearing like that. Ball bearing, you take like that. One we are fixed like that. Again opposite also. This is for back to back arrangement. Okay. Double bearing is back to back, opposite fix that will. Bearing back to back arrangement. Next tomorrow we are going to see that one. Why bearing back to back arrangement provided? Tomorrow that answer I tell to you. Long video means they are not many people not study that one. That's why that three question answer every video I put that one. So one by one you will learn. I try to tell many things of I try to tell many things of question answer one by one. That's why for a day 3 question answer I put to you. So next video I go to, when I time I will upload that one. 13, 15 or 14, 16 and 17 like that. Okay. So we go to learn for one by one. Sorry, this is useful for the mechanical interview question answer. Don't forget that one. Useful the question answer. You very well experience you have, but how can the answer? How can you do that? We are working that one, but will not tell to that answer and questions. They are asking questions. How can you tell? That's why I recall for you. We are learn for us. You also learn. Myself also recall that one. I have experience in static and rotating and fabrication knowledge also, and heavy equipment and troubleshooting also. But I try to speak many things. But how can you tell one day video? How not possible? So one by one, we go to learn that one. Anything or question answer for any doubt, please ask comment. I tell to you. Any question answer, how is knows, I will share with you. This is for my achievement like that. I try to learn and teaching also. So any mistake, please comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget bell button. You share any friends also. Many people, small young guys also, they are doing very well, but will not tell to question answer. They are not. How can they explain? Don't know. Nowadays they know many things of more than us. But all people, all things don't know. We have some knowledge. You have some knowledge. We are sharers. Okay. So don't mistake me. Anything doubt, you ask me. Anything my side, any problem for me, you tell to me. I will rectify that one. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.